I thought I'd make a little video about my quilting stitch. Here's how I thread the needle. It's a number 3 quilting between, biggest quilting needle you can get, and number 12 pearl cotton that I'm using to get kind of big stitches on this quilt. So I just start in the middle of the thread and quilt both ends. Here I'm quilting the second end. I don't mark anything, I do everything freehand. It's a little tough to go through the seam, but you can make it work. It's called the rocking stitch for obvious reasons. You rock the needle just a little bit up and down. You don't go straight up and down, you just rock it up and down a little. And then when you get to the end, you tie off. Oops. I mean, you thread the needle again, and then you tie off. Invisibly by coming up on the end of a previous stitch somewhere. Going under, this is all between the layers. Go under that stitch, come up on the end of another stitch somewhere. Go under that, snip it, and thread your needle again.